家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们加入客家风情，一起发现客家之美。
飯條老挑夫係客家人當接食嘅菜，不過南部嘅客家莊就係攞飯條同挑夫變做為飯條挑夫。飯條係你飯條嘅挑夫生唔見睇嘅，又會安尼咯。
Peanut tofu is a delicacy crafted by the Hakka people, and despite its name, it contains no tofu. The primary ingredients are peanuts and rice, creating a dense cake-like dish with a pronounced peanut flavor. The smooth, almost tofu-like texture led to its intriguing name, peanut tofu. This specialty was commonly found in the Neipu area of the Liudui region in Pingdong. So if you're looking to experience the unique flavor of peanut tofu, make sure to pay a visit to Hakka communities.
Yo, 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 it's time to talk about Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係邊個 Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。我剛剛聽 Leo 好像在饒舌啊，繞口令啊，對不對？什麼反挑的挑夫，挑夫反挑。
對啊，
這不是花生嗎？
對啊，就花生跟豆腐，花生豆腐啊。
哦，那就是杏仁豆腐的另外一種咯，是這樣嗎？還是？
不是，你講的那種不一樣。
那花生豆花嗎？
你覺得應該是花生豆花，但花生豆花跟花生豆腐是完全不一樣的東西。
那到底是什麼啊？
因為呢，花生豆腐裡面呢沒有黃豆的成分哦，豆花是有黃豆做的、啊。
對，沒錯。
對，這個花生豆腐啊，它是花生跟再來米結合起來的東西，所以呢，它的質地應該是比較接近
拌誒，對，
拌誒，
才有這個客家的連結在這裡了嘛。
沒錯，沒錯。
我想說花生豆花，我從小長到大都不知道是客家美食。
對啊，對。今天講這個花生豆腐啊，其實啊，它在這個南部地區已經是有差不多90年的歷史哦。從那個屏東內埔鄉那邊啊，就是衍生出來一個非常具有代表性的客家美食。在以前在客家地區啊，可能這些物資不豐富，所以呢，很多的客家婦女啊，就把這兩個雜糧呢，把它結合在一起，做成這個食品之後呢，它可以吃甜的，讓小朋友當點心，那也可以當正餐的時候來填飽肚子。
我真想講，既然是拌的，它可以當主食，但是又像點心一樣。對對對 ，very very nice, sounds delicious. Well, let's teach you some of these phrases associated with this dessert or dish, including peanuts, 花生,
飯條,
and then the tofu, 豆腐.
Tofu.
But this dish particularly is not made with soybean, it's actually made with rice. And finally, it's actually made with rice, which is a kind of ban, okay, which is a staple of the Hakka cuisine. And there you have it. If you get a chance, go try it out. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
送大家。
漢字寫章來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.